In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to host a static website on Hostinger. If you have an HTML website with files like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and images, you can upload it to Hostinger and make it live on the internet in just a few minutes. This is perfect for portfolios, landing pages, personal websites, or simple business sites that don't need a database. The process is very beginner-friendly, and you don't need any coding experience beyond having your website files ready. I'll walk you through logging into Hostinger, opening the file manager, uploading your static site, and making sure everything loads correctly on your domain. So if you want to get your HTML website online quickly using Hostinger, keep watching. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first step is to log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign in using the account that manages your hosting plan. After you log in, you'll arrive at the Hostinger dashboard, which is where you manage your websites, domains, files, and hosting settings. From the dashboard, click on the section labeled Websites. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the website where you want to upload your static HTML site and click on Dashboard next to that website. This will open the management area for that specific domain. Once you are inside the website dashboard, look for the Files section. Inside that section, click on File Manager. The Hostinger File Manager allows you to upload, edit, delete, and organize all the files that make up your website directly from your browser, without needing extra software like FTP clients. When the File Manager opens, you'll see several folders. The most important folder here is called public_HTML. This folder is the main directory that serves files to your website visitors. In simple terms, anything placed inside the public_HTML folder can be accessed through your domain name. Go ahead and double-click the public_HTML folder to open it. Now it's time to upload your static website files. At the top of the File Manager, you'll see an Upload button. Click Upload and select all the files for your website from your computer. These usually include files like index.html, style.css, JavaScript files, images, and other assets used by your site. If your website is already packaged in a zip file, you can upload the zip file directly. After uploading the zip file, right-click it and choose Extract. This will automatically unpack all the website files into the public_HTML folder. One very important thing to check is that your homepage file is named index.html. Hostinger servers automatically look for a file named index.html when someone visits your domain. If your main page has a different name, your website may not load correctly. So make sure the file index.html is located directly inside the public_HTML folder along with your other website assets. Once your files are uploaded and extracted, your website is essentially live. To confirm everything works, open a new browser tab and type your domain name into the address bar. If everything was uploaded correctly, you should see your static website appear exactly as it was designed. If something looks broken, double-check that all CSS, JavaScript, and image files were uploaded properly, and that the file paths inside your HTML are correct. And that's it! You've successfully hosted a static HTML website on Hostinger. As you can see, the process is actually very simple once you know where the public_HTML folder is and how to upload your files. Now your website is live and accessible to anyone who visits your domain. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more website tutorials, hosting guides, and simple tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.